giving it to God. No life is more secure than a life surrendered to God. A hero for a generation of people who grew up after World War II, Corrie ten Boom left a legacy of godliness and wisdom. A victim of the Nazi occupation of the Netherlands, she survived to tell her story of faith and dependence on God during horrendous suffering. I have held many things in my hands, Corrie once said, and I have lost them all. But whatever I have placed in God's hands, that I still possess. Corrie was well acquainted with loss. She lost family, possessions, and years of her life to hateful people. Yet she learned to concentrate on what could be gained spiritually and emotionally by putting everything in the hands of her Heavenly Father. What does that mean to us? What should we place it? In God's hands for safekeeping. According to the story of the rich young man in Mark 10, everything, he held abundance in his hands, but when Jesus asked him to give it up, he refused. He kept his possession and he failed to follow Jesus. And as a result, he went away sorrowful. Like Corrie ten Boom, we can find hope by putting everything in God's hands and then trusting Him for the outcome. All to Jesus I surrender. All to Him I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him. In His presence daily live.